Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookie batter. Start by creaming butter and sugars until light and fluffy, then add eggs and vanilla. Gradually mix in dry ingredients until just combine to avoid toughness, then fold in chocolate chips. I'll guide you through texture checks, common mistakes, and quick fixes so you end up with tender, evenly baked cookies every time. Keep ingredients simple and treat them with care to get consistent results. I recommend weighing flour if possible, but spoon and level works well. Use real butter for flavor and a balance of sugars for texture. Don't skip salt or vanilla because they deepen flavor. Mixing gently and checking the batter thickness will tell you when to stop and when to chill before baking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a bold, clean scent that makes kitchen runs more pleasant. I found it pairs surprisingly well with warm cookies on the drive to share with friends. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mixing technique matters as much as ingredients, so fold dry ingredients in gently and stop when streaks disappear. Aim for a soft, slightly shaggy batter that holds together when scooped but still spreads a little on the sheet. If batter looks too loose, chill briefly to firm it up. I'll show how small changes in mix and chill time change final chew and spread for different cookie preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.